Okay, so we're making buttermilk biscuits. I am with Imikan and Mommy Mikan and Sidara. We're all making it together. So, cooking with my boy. So Imikan, since we're all cooking together, go dump this. Yeah, they make it. Go and put this in the bin. You can't say no. For people are, the world is watching. So, okay, well.
Don't do that. Don't worry.
It's your turn. You're supposed to be in the video with me, Mikan. We're doing this together. Come here. This way. This way, baby.
Then who's going to see the camera?
Who's going to do what? You're not supposed to see it. So we're just going to give this a good mix.
Who's going to see the camera? Is this Sidara and Mommy? Who's going to see it?
Nobody. Nobody is supposed to see it, so they don't go blind. The things we tell children. So we're doing... Come, Imikan, 4 teaspoons of
4 teaspoons
sugar. So you're going to do that. Oh yeah, it's your turn.
My turn?
Careful, hold on, hold it. 1, okay. Another, No, you have to fill it up, Imikan.
Oh, fill it up?
Yes, fill it up. 2. Okay, again.
Only 3.
Okay, so I'll do the remaining now. Thank you, buddy. Hey, high five. Right hand. You.
Thank you for teaching.
Yeah, you're welcome, baby.
Ding dong.
That's good.
Wait, baby.
Can I please mix it? Ooh.
Water. Yes. Mikan, you want to give it a good mix?
Yes.
Okay. You don't be careful so you don't pour it.
Okay.
Easy. Tips. The trick is in the shortening. Also, pour regular oil in the pan before placing the biscuit on the pan. If you don't have biscuit cutter, once you put the dry ingredients, put the shortening. Use your hand to mix it and mix more. Mix well. Then pour the milk small at a time. Okay. Don't make soapy.
Pour the milk.
Take this to her.
I'll just give this a good mix. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. You should have to get in dirty.
Mika, please. I just need you to open it.
Auntie, now do you want me to pour it?
No, don't worry. Just do it. So, what am I using?
Milk.
You want to enter the pot? The bowl? You want to go in?
Yeah. Like my hands. Like my...
Now we're going to talk about what we used. Baking powder.
Baking powder?
Crisco shortening sticks. I got this from Walmart.
Yes.
Sugar.
Oh,
baking flour. No, sorry. Sugar, salt, baking flour, and then buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
I think that's everything we used.
Oh my. This smells like beach nursery.
You need one. Auntie Florence, am I doing it right?
Yes. Okay, it's an empty bowl. Looked like it was water, but you're doing it right.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay, now turn it over so I have more flour on the bottom so it don't stick.
Okay.
Yeah, you're having it sticking to the, yes. Aha.
Yeah.
Feel. Aha. Now you roll it again. Okay.
There's another biscuit coming out.
Let me see. Yeah, that should be good. It should be fine. And the next time you make...
I'm going to keep it on the phone like that so I can focus.
Alright. Okay, that should be enough.
Okay.
That's all. You see the one biscuit that you made?
Yes.
Okay, put it on the... Let me show you how to put it on the pan. So take one side and put a little, dab it in the oil. Okay, now turn it on the other side. That's enough. That's enough. And just place it on in the top.
Here.
No, up close to the end.
Okay.
Yes, and that's how you're gonna do it from now on.
Okay.
Are you ready to eat this kid?
Yeah, we're going to bake it.
When you guys are done, okay?
Thank you very much, Auntie Florence.
All right, bye-bye.
We're doing good.
Mommy, yellow.
Do it again. Do it.
Like,
Turn over. Good boy.
and then how do I take it out?
Don't worry, I'll help you take it out.
Thank you. Can I carry it?
No, we just do that. And then we flip it again.
Are we almost done?
Yes. Are you tired?
Now we have to open the oven.
Yes.
So we're done.
And she also
So we're going to
next
bake this at 425 degrees. So it was 10 minutes at 425 degrees. Now we let it stay for a little over 11 minutes. It should have been exactly 10. So next time I'll just ensure I get it out. Maybe 9 minutes or 10 minutes, but this is it. This is our second trial, and I think we got it right. We need to call Auntie Florence. So how does it taste? We'll find out. You worked. Imikan! Come, let me redeem myself. Come. Do you?
the
video name.
I'll cut it out now. Come and take.
Let me take it.
Come and stay here.
Oh!
Come here.
I don't need.
Open up. This is not proper.
I'm trying to compare this to hers. We are
What is
there.
missing? But something is missing. Oh, but I like it.
It's lovely.
No buying any Popeyes anymore.
This is it.
Bye bye.
I did not stop the video.
Do not stop the video. I'm eating.
You can.